Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of: is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. Just a few clicks, build your own branded food ordering website complete with menus, online payments, and delivery management. No coding. No headaches. No waiting. Go live instantly and start taking orders or selling these websites to clients. AI handles the hard work, and you keep all the profits. Seconds. Everywhere you look, people are ordering food online. Restaurants, food chains, and even home chefs are cashing in on the demand. The numbers don't lie. The online food industry is worth over $1 trillion and growing faster than ever. Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub aren't just food delivery apps anymore, they're billion-dollar empires. And here's the crazy part: they don't cook a single meal. They don't own kitchens. They don't buy ingredients. They don't hire chefs. They simply own the system. They let restaurants sign up, take orders, and charge massive fees on every transaction. 30% or more per order straight into their pockets. Now imagine this. What if you could own your own Uber Eats style platform without building it from scratch, without hiring developers, and without spending months setting it up? What if, instead of paying platforms like Uber Eats, you were the one getting paid? That's exactly what FoodAI lets you do. And the best part? It takes just one click. But what if you could own the entire system yourself without paying them a dime? The food delivery giants make billions every year, but here's the real problem: they take up to 30% of every sale from small restaurants and food businesses. A small local burger joint? Losing thousands per month to Uber Eats. A family-owned pizza shop? Struggling to stay afloat because of delivery fees. It's a rigged game, and the big players always win. But now, with FoodAI, the tables have turned. For the first time ever, you can own the entire system yourself. With just a few clicks, you can launch your own food ordering website, accept orders, process payments, and run deliveries, without handing over a single cent to Uber Eats or DoorDash. You are in full control. Restaurants will come to you instead, and you can charge them whatever you want for listing on your platform. No middlemen. No ridiculous fees. Just pure profit. And the best part? You can set this up in minutes without touching a single line of code. Starting a business used to be hard. You'd need to hire developers, designers, and marketers just to build a basic food ordering platform. It would take months and thousands of dollars just to end up with something that still needs constant updates and maintenance. But now, FoodAI changes everything. With one click, it builds your entire food ordering platform from scratch. Menus. Preloaded and fully customizable. Payments. Integrated and ready to accept money instantly. Order tracking. Done for you: real-time updates, automatic notifications. It's not just easy. It's stupidly easy. You own everything. No third-party branding, no extra fees, no middlemen. For the first time, you can launch a fully functional Uber Eats-style business in minutes. A professionally designed, ready-to-launch website. A fully automated order management system. Built-in payment processing: accept Stripe, PayPal, or even cash on delivery. AI-driven marketing that brings customers to you. A team of employees. A delivery fleet. A huge budget. AI-powered automation, runs orders, payments, and deliveries on autopilot. No coding needed, your website is ready in minutes. AI-driven marketing, attracts customers without spending on ads. White label business model, you own everything under your brand. Sell websites for $9.97 plus, turn this into a side hustle or full-time business. No dealing with inventory, suppliers, or shipping. No confusing tech to set up. No massive learning curve. We had zero experience with websites, coding, or online business. But in just a few days, we used FoodAI to create and sell a fully functional food ordering website and made $997 in profit. And here is how we did it. We signed up and launched our first site in minutes. We customized the branding to make it look premium. We listed it for sale on a marketplace. A local restaurant bought it instantly for $997. Our honest words on how this tool exceeded our expectations and changed everything. We never thought we could make money this fast. We didn't need experience, we didn't need a budget. We just followed the steps, and FoodAI did everything for us. This is the easiest business I've ever started, and we are not alone. Are you next? Launch your very own self-updating food and drink site and profit from this $578 billion industry. One click equals your own cloud kitchen, bar, cafe, lounge, etc. Choose from professionally designed, customizable templates built specifically for food businesses. Use the drag and drop editor to make it uniquely yours. Every design is mobile optimized for a seamless experience, no matter the device. With FoodAI, creating a website is as easy as playing a game. Add food items effortlessly with categories, descriptions, images, and prices. Whether it's vegan specials, gluten-free options, or daily deals, your menu is optimized to drive sales. FoodAI even lets you handle multiple cuisines and menu sections with ease. Get instant notifications for every order whether you're an admin or a customer. Track orders in real time, from preparation to delivery, with automated status updates like order confirmed and out for delivery. FoodAI keeps everything running like clockwork. Accept payments from anywhere with options like Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, and more. Support for cash on delivery and digital wallets makes it easy for customers to pay. Plus, enjoy automatic tax calculations and invoice generation, no manual work needed. Set up in-house delivery with GPS tracking for precision. Configure delivery radiuses and schedules to fit your business needs. With FoodAI, you're always in control of how and where deliveries happen. Run discounts, promo codes, and customer engagement campaigns with built-in email and SMS marketing tools. Seamlessly connect to social media platforms to advertise menus, promotions, and deals. Let AI handle your marketing while you watch the profits roll in. Give customers their own accounts to save order histories, addresses, and preferences. Collect feedback and reviews to improve services and build loyalty. FoodAI makes managing your customers simple and effective. Get real-time reports on your sales, top-performing dishes, customer behavior, and delivery performance, all powered by AI. Spot trends, fix weak spots, and make smarter decisions that lead to more profits. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. Get a real-time dashboard that shows sales trends, top-selling items, and customer feedback. Track delivery performance and export detailed reports in formats like CSV or PDF. With FoodAI, data-driven decisions are just a click away. Serve customers worldwide with multilingual websites and automatic currency conversion. Whether it's dollars, euros, or yen, FoodAI handles payments seamlessly, breaking barriers and boosting your reach. With SEO-optimized site structures and pre-built integrations for social media, your website gets noticed. Sync with Google My Business and Google Analytics to maximize visibility and track your performance. Get free domain options or bring your own custom domain. Enjoy secure, reliable cloud hosting with SSL certification included. Your website stays live, fast, and protected guaranteed. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.